You mark, get set, go! Woo! Keep going. Keep going, Kenzie. Go farthest. Go. Whee! Do a somersault. Woo! Keep going.
That was awesome. Get away. Whoa, that was awesome. My turn to go back to the grill.
Okay, ready? Go. Whee! Keep going. Whee! One more. Whee! Good job.
Now this is
Good job.
Now Lucas, you might want to move.
Okay, now Kenzie, see how many you go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Lucas is going 2, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm getting dizzy.
You getting dizzy?
Yes. I went.
You want to twirl around? Do you want to twirl around? Like a top? Do you like to do that?
How?
You know how you do when you get dizzy? Like go in a circle? Like this?
Does that make you sick now?
Well, not necessarily. What are you doing, Luke? Can you jump? Show Grandma your jumps. Good job.
I can do
Let's see your jump. Let's see your hops, Kenzie. Oh, 1 foot. 1 foot? Wow. Lucas, can you jump on 1 foot?
No.
Not yet?
Like this. Oh, like that.
What was that? Did you step on a frog? I thought I heard a frog over there.
No, you farted. Or something.
Crazy kids.
Yeah,
You're doing good.
hey, Lucas, how about I hold the feet down and do it?
Good job.
Wow.
Let's see, what else? How about if you...
Wow. Lucas, wait, give me your hand again. Come back.
Run at each other.
That's far. Lucas, come here.
Are you getting hot? Are you getting too hot?
Lucas, do you remember this?
Can you pretend you're a frog and do a frog jump? How does a
Remember
frog
this,
jump?
Lucas?
Good job.
Man, I got dizzy.
Are you tired, Lucas? You all right? You having a hard time breathing? Do you have, what does a frog say?
Ribbit, ribbit,
Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit.
ribbit, ribbit. Rabbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Go meet your other frog sister. There's the frog sister.
Ribbit,
Sister frog.
ribbit, 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 ribbit. Can you remember? I can go. Kenzie,
Okay.
can you remember this? Watch this. Whoa. Did you learn that?
You did something.
I can do it backwards. I can do it backwards.
Just don't trip, okay? Be careful.
Yeah, I like the farthest.
Where you going? Come on. Let's see if y'all can find the bunny. There's a bunny somewhere around here. Is that Uncle Paul? That's Uncle Paul.
Yes.